Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Happy Friday, April 4th. Guys, look at this market. We are basically in free fall here. We have a full-blown trade war going on now that China and I believe Japan has also entered the picture. And I'm sure there's going to be some other retaliatory tariffs and other things that will be happening here today. But who knows? We have a down day, guys. We have broken all key supports here. In fact, we have now hit bear market territory on the futures contract, guys, down more than 20% at the bottom here overnight and this morning during the UK session. It is 9:28 a.m., guys. We have 2 minutes to the open here, and very much a bearish environment coming in. We're just below, we're below balance here on VWAP, but really completely irrelevant in the context of what's going on. And then we have my trading grid. There's that daily. The downtrend continues, to put it mildly. 30-minute chart, guys. Let's take a look at some of the zones that we're dealing with here. Put in a little temporary bottom here at 7:30 or so a.m. two equal body bottoms. So I put a zone marker in there. This range here, guys, is about 650 points, I believe. Yeah, 663 points for that. I'll be operating in here today mostly, I guess, unless we break down below, of course, and the free fall continues. This is the S&P, guys, very similar picture. So NASDAQ, S&P. I'm going to wait until the 1 minute open range forms here, guys, and I'll bring you back. I will be speaking less today, I think. I'm struggling with my voice, and so I'll just be bringing you back whenever there's something interesting to talk about. All right, guys, we're back. The 1 minute open range is complete. 80 points, guys, fairly significant on the NASDAQ, and 21 points almost on the S&P. They look tiny here because it's all relative, guys. We've had very big moves in the UK session. And so now I'm going to sit and wait, give this lots of time to settle, to work itself out. Tug of war between the bulls and the bears, the longs and the shorts, the good and evil. Very sloppy 1 minute chart here, guys, in the pre-market. NFP came out here, guys, and it was a number that was very different than what was expected, yet the market barely moved on a relative basis because we already had a trade war reaction. It's interesting how these things are always contextual, right? Grinding sideways EMAs here, guys, stuck in the open range. Just gonna watch here for a while, guys. I really want to see some structure develop here. We're dropping down a little bit below the open range on both the S&P and the NASDAQ. Let's see if we can get below some of this pre-market stuff. Maybe even down below here. See that on both? Rounding down, guys. Nothing for me to do yet. And pulling back into the EMAs here, guys, on both sisters. What I would like to see in a perfect world is for this to pull all the way back and tag the underside or even the top side of the open range, and then begin to weaken. I might consider a short at that point, but for now, there's nothing to do. And now pulling back. I must admit that part of me felt like I may have missed the opportunity to short this thing, given that we do have this very bearish daily candle and daily chart, and then a folding down here in line with the impulse wave down. But now this is another opportunity if one wanted to go short here. Depends. We're getting a very strong push up here. If it's too strong, I won't be interested in going short, because it means that dip buyers may be coming in here in force. All right, guys, see this folding over on the S&P? Just bringing out a marker here, not doing anything yet. Notice how the 9 is still below the 21. I do prefer that. Sell stop order, guys. Sell stop order right here. Stop above these two bodies. You see that? And I'm in, guys. I am in just like that. Now, if this buying continues to be strong, then this will be a charge to start the day. it's the waiting game. All right, guys, looks like I'm going to get stopped out here. And there it is, guys. Dip buyers are a little too strong here this morning, taken out of that. So 1 hour charge for the 4 models. Just a routine charge and an ongoing business model, guys. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. I might see you again. Who knows? But in the meantime, I want to wish you an amazing weekend. We'll talk to you soon.